everyone, and a happy early morning. It's a little bit earlier than normally for me today. I had to get up at 6 this morning because today we're going to go to the Live Well Festival. And it actually starts at 10, but it's on the other side of London for me. And I'm going with a friend, and she wanted to have breakfast before. So, yeah, all of that just kind of adds up to a 6 a.m. start. And since I've not worked in an office anymore, I'm just not really used to it. So, I woke up already around 5 and then couldn't sleep anymore until 6. Kind of like I was excited or not, kind of worried that I wouldn't wake up at 6, so I just kind of stayed up. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to today. There are a couple of brands exhibiting there. There's a lot of talks. My friend has studied hypnotherapy, so she's really interested in the whole wellness sector, and maybe we're going to have a look at some talks together, or maybe some workshops as well. Probably not the fitness ones because I'm not going to wear like sports gear today. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to it and just seeing what's at the event. It's the first time ever that it's on, so I don't really know what to expect. But I guess we're going to see. And on Saturday, so it's currently Friday, and tomorrow I'm actually going to be going back to this show, and I'm also going to be cooking there on stage, which is quite like a spontaneous last minute thing that we've arranged this week. But yeah, so I'm going to have a look today as well where my stage is and where I need to go tomorrow so that I feel kind of prepared. So yeah, this is my day today.
So we had a little bit of a walk around for the last hour, and there's honestly so much to see. I don't think we've even seen half of it. But my friend Rachel's currently doing a talk down there, and it's so busy that when I stand at the back, I just can't hear anything. Trying some food, some blah blah and yeah, we're going to have a look around. There's lots of stuff going on up here as well. There's like a little retreat area over here, and we're going to look at the talk, and then hopefully find some food after. Just found some lunch finally. I've been really hungry. Just some marinated tofu and some rice noodles, and it's really delicious. We were just about to listen to the second talk of the day. We've got these beautiful headphones. So the way that they're doing the talks is that everybody in the front basically has a microphone, and everyone in the audience can listen on the headphones, which is really awesome, I think, because you can really hear everything very well. So more events should do something like this.
As you can tell, I'm back home now, and it's actually already evening. For some reason, I kind of forgot to film the rest of the event, but after the second talk that we went to, we didn't really stay for too long. Basically, just had another little walk around and said hi and goodbye to a couple of people. But I'm going to be back at the show for another day, so I thought I'll take you along again tomorrow. And tomorrow is actually the day that I have my cookery demo as well. Now, when I came home today from the event, I basically prepared for tomorrow. I I've been like pre-chopping and pre-preparing all of my ingredients that I will need for tomorrow. And this is something that I kind of learned from previous like cooking demo experiences, knowing that I won't really be able to focus on chopping things on stage and I have to pre-chop everything. But yeah, I'm all packed now and I can't wait for my demo tomorrow. It's gonna be an early start for me because the event opens at 9:30 and my demo's on at 10. So I'm going to be the first person on stage tomorrow. And I kind of want to be there a little bit in advance just to leave some time for any like travel delays because you never know with the London Tube. And also to have enough time to set up and familiarize myself with everything. I'd just rather be there like too early than too late. So yeah, it's gonna be an early Saturday morning for me. I'll probably be getting up around 6:30, something like this. So kind of like a weekday, but it's not really what you normally do on a Saturday. But yeah, at the moment I'm just chilling out, just watching some TV. I kind of I've done some admin work earlier, but I kind of want to have a chilled out rest of my evening now, just so that I can wake up fresh tomorrow, and also ensure that my brain will work tomorrow during my demo. But yeah, so I'll take you along tomorrow, and Really excited to see how the demo will go.
It's the next day now, and I'm actually already at the Live Festival. As you can tell, I'm currently in the kitchen, so this is the demo kitchen where my cookery demo is going to be in about half an hour. And I've come here early this morning, so it's been an early start for me. But I've already prepared everything. Got my first recipe set up over here, second one set up over there. And how awesome is this large tabletop? I wish I had this much space at home. But yeah, fingers crossed it'll all go well.
So the recipe I'm making here is for about 1 jar, but it depends on the size of the jar, of course. I'm using this one here, as you can see. It's quite the nice small size. I prefer the vanilla powder because it's got a little bit of better quality, better vanilla taste. And this is a vegan chocolate and hazelnut spread. It just gives it a more rich and rich flavour. And I'm using like a rolling pin, and I'm just gonna go over the biscuits. It's like an easy way to crumble them out. We're gonna add a little bit of coffee to this, so like a shot of espresso. Give it a nice puffy flavor. And I start with this biscuit layer. This goes at the bottom. Then the next layer that goes on is the cashew chocolate cream. I'm gonna go over that with the vanilla. You can actually keep the soaked cashews in the fridge for about a week. The only thing that you need to do is you need to change the water daily so that they don't go off. Yeah? It's like a nice creamy texture, and you've got the little biscuit layer at the bottom, and this is super more rich. I'm going to jump over to the next one now, because I've actually got a second recipe that I want to show you today. Sweet samosa. So the flour and water mixture is going to be my glue base. We just hold this together. Each together makes up 4 grams of chocolate bread and some strawberries, or you can also use bananas, you can use peanut butter, and raspberries, for example. It's kind of like peanut butter and jelly a little bit. Completely down to your onion. Sprinkle some nuts on the top so that they get stuck on it, so that you have a little bit of nuts on the top, a little bit of a crunch as well. And if anyone wants to try some after, I'll happily make a couple of more. You can help yourself, but I'm going to make a couple more as well. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
So, I've got my demo all done now, and look who it is. Somebody's joining me. Hello, Pandora. High five. High five. High five. Yeah, high five. No, my demo went really well. It was obviously really early, so there wasn't like masses of people there, but it all worked well. I didn't chop my fingers off, so I think that's a success. Just having a little walk around together with my friends now and their little baby. Just to, yeah, I mean, I've been here yesterday, but now it's kind of like a little bit looking at stuff a little bit more closely. I didn't have time to yesterday, and I'll chat with my friends, and I'll maybe go to some talks later on, but we'll see. We just did a lovely lunch workout. That was exhausting, wasn't it? The same again as yesterday. Somebody's finding me funny. Oh, it's the most gorgeous day outside now. It's really weird. I kind of thought it would be raining all day, but look at this wonderful area here. It's really nice and quiet to sit down and enjoy the sun for a little bit. She's a bit dramatic. You're just being.
The pressure of being in a people that don't
And I'm back home again. And something really weird just happened, because I just filmed a little video already, like a little outro for my video here, and I don't know what it was, but for some reason my phone recorded the sound in normal speed and the image in like half the speed, which was really weird. So here we are again. I'm gonna try and do this again and get together what I've actually been saying earlier. Anyways, as you can tell, I've gotten back home, and for some reason on my way home on the tube, the tiredness really hit me. I only had about 4 hours of sleep last night. I don't know, I did sleep very well. I don't think I was nervous. I think I just had a bad night's sleep. Which is unlucky to have this before a day where you have to get up so early and do a cookery demo. But yeah, I felt fine for most of the time, but it just really hit me when I sat down on the tube on the way back. So I guess I'm gonna have some rest now, and I've actually got a One Planet pizza in the oven because I need some fuel as well. I had lunch really early at the event, which was technically my breakfast. So yeah, I'm hungry. need like a chilled out rest of my Saturday now. And yeah, I think I might spend some time later and update the recipes that I've actually made during my cookery demo today onto the website as well, so that yeah, everyone that couldn't come to the cookery demo can also see the recipes that I've made on there. But yeah, I really enjoyed the event and I really enjoyed doing the cookery demo. I generally love going to these kind of events and doing talks or cookery demos. It just kind of gives you a great opportunity to connect with people face to face, and also just to meet some new people and meet some new people that are interested in recipes or in veganism or in vegan cooking, or generally interested in these kind of events and in mindfulness, well-being. So I love going to these kind of events and doing these things. So yeah, it's been a great day, but I'm also kind of glad now that I'm back home and can like sit down and chill a little bit. But yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video. As usual, I don't know, I always mention this at the end of every video, but of course subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. And also leave a comment and a like if you really enjoyed this video, so that I know what kind of videos you guys are into. But yeah, the regular stuff you probably kind of know already, but yeah, I always need to remind you. Yeah, I'm gonna have a little bit of a chill now, and I hope I'll see you in the next video again. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.